Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Zapier SMS notification. So first go to zapier.com and click on create a Zap. So now our trigger will be Twitter and our event will be a new follower of me. So let's test our trigger. I'm going to skip it for now and click on continue. And then our action will be SMS. It's a feature given by Zapier. Continue. Now you have to sign in. So now this feature is only available to US and UK, and since I'm not in any of those countries, I cannot actually do it. So you just have to fill in the information given here, and then you're just few clicks away from using this service provided by Zapier. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.